Downtown already at 67 degrees, wind sustained from the southwest, so it's a bit breezy out across the eastern plains. Currently 66 right now out at the airport. Elsewhere across town, it's mild this morning. Boulder already at 70 degrees, Evergreen upper 50s, and Golden into Lakewood right now we're in the 60s. And through the day today, we are going to be staying mostly sunny for the first half, increasing cloud coverage as we head into the afternoon, and then a slight chance for seeing a few storms across the Denver area, about a 30% chance similar to yesterday. And then our overnight lows again will drop down to the upper 50s to low 60s. So any plans you and the family have outside for the first half of the Sunday should be really nice, not impacted by weather at all, but maybe pack the umbrella in the car just in case, or bring a light rain jacket along. But it is going to still be very hot this afternoon. Westminster, Lakewood 90 degrees, upper 80s into Broomfield and Thornton, Ken Carroll and Highlands Ranch both at 91. So as I mentioned, chance for thunderstorms later on this afternoon, first developing into the foothills, rolling over the plains. Places like Boulder at 88, good chance of seeing a few isolated storms there. Greeley, good chance of showers, and 92 degrees. It's going to stay pretty unsettled through this afternoon. So if you are hiking or biking, do be aware of the showers and storm activity that will develop afternoon. By 3 o'clock, we'll be in the upper 70s to low 80s out west. Still nice and toasty in Grand Junction at 93. Triple-digit heat expected into Lamar, La Junta, and through Pueblo and the upper 90s. And if you are taking a hike or maybe a bike ride or just driving through the mountains, it's going to stay very mild through the morning, increasing cloud coverage, 70s and 80s out west. Definitely drink water, wear sunscreen. Those storms will develop around noon, so the earlier the better here in Colorado, as we know, throughout the summer. Our UV index also in the very high to near extreme range. Please wear sunscreen. By noon, we'll be at 87 degrees and 90 by 4 o'clock. Through Fort Collins, Greeley, Sterling, that's our best risk of picking up the severe storm activity later on. Still a slight risk there, but some of these storms could produce pockets of moderate to heavy rainfall and also hail, especially further north of town. The main threat for our storms here around the Denver metro area, Front Range and Plains, will mainly be gusty winds and lightning. By 2:30 this afternoon, from Winter Park into Boulder, moving across the plains by 7 o'clock, we'll continue to see that moisture streaming in into the mountains. Moving east, winds gusty at times down through Highlands Ranch, could pick up a couple of isolated storms, and then we'll dry out tonight. Tomorrow we'll see a little more cloud coverage. We're watching a cold front roll through, so good news is that we'll cool down a little bit for tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s out at the airport, 70s and 60s out west. And then as we go throughout the rest of the day, staying kind of unsettled for Tuesday, another round of late day thunderstorms expected. By Wednesday, mostly sunny, drier for the 4th of July. Independence Day, we're looking at highs in the upper 80s. Overnight lows will stay near 60 degrees for the next 7 days.